Welcome back to another deep dive. Today, we're really getting down to basics, the absolute core of Python programming. It's keywords. Think of them as the fundamental vocabulary, the essential words Python relies on.
Exactly. And understanding them is, key to actually speaking Python fluently. It's about seeing the blueprint behind the code.
Right. So let's nail this down. What are keywords precisely?
Well, they're basically Python's set of reserved words. They come with predefined meanings, special jobs they do.
Meaning you can't just grab one and name your variable if, for example.
No, absolutely not. Python keeps them aside. There are 35 of them in total, and they really form the backbone, the structure of the language.
35. And why are they so crucial?
Because they're the actual commands. They tell the Python interpreter what action to perform, how to structure the logic. You can't build anything, really, not a simple script or a huge application, without using these keywords. They're the tools.
Got it. Okay, to make this easier, maybe we can group them, like categories.
Yeah, that makes sense. We can start with the simplest ones, maybe the value keywords.
Like true, false, and none.
Exactly. Your basic Boolean logic, true or false, and none representing, well, nothingness, the absence of a value, foundational stuff.
Okay, simple enough. What's next?
Then you've got operator keywords. Think and or not in and is.
These are for making decisions, right?
Right.
Logical checks.
Precisely. Comparing things, checking membership, and actually in and is are interesting. In checks if something's inside a collection, like a list.
Okay.
But it's checks if two variables point to the very same object in memory. It's about identity, not just equal value. Subtle, but pretty important.
I see. Good distinction. So values, operators.
Yeah.
What about managing the program's flow?
Right. That's control flow keywords. This is where if, elif, and else come in for conditions.
Making choices.
Yep. And for loops, repeating actions, plus break and continue to kind of manage those loops more finely.
Like the roadmap for the code telling it where to go and when.
Exactly like a roadmap. Then, for building bigger things, you need structure keywords.
Okay, like functions and classes.
You got it. To define a function, class define an object blueprint. Also, with, and as are in here, really useful for managing resources like files.
Oh yeah, context managers. They handle the cleanup automatically.
They do, which is fantastic. And there's pass, which is just a placeholder, does nothing, and lambda for creating small, quick, unnamed functions.
Handy. What about getting results out of functions?
That brings us to returning keywords. You've got return, which sends a value back and stops the function.
Standard stuff.
And then there's yield. Now, yield is cool. It turns a function into a generator.
A generator.
Yeah, instead of calculating everything at once, it produces values one by one on demand. Super memory efficient for, say, large data sets.
Interesting. Okay, what else? Bring in outside code.
That's import keywords. Import from and as, your way to pull in libraries and modules, all that powerful code others have written.
Leverage the ecosystem.
Exactly. And crucial for stable programs. Exception handling keywords.
Dealing with errors. Try, except.
Right. Try, except to catch errors, raise to trigger them deliberately, finally for cleanup that always runs, and assert for checking conditions that must be true, your safety net.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Keep the program from just crashing. We're covering a lot of ground.
We are nearly there. For really modern stuff, high-performance apps, you have asynchronous programming keywords, async and await.
For handling multiple things at once without blocking.
You nailed it. Defining and working with coroutines, essential for responsive network applications or UIs.
Okay, and the last group.
Finally, just a few variable handling keywords to delete things, and global and non-local to manage variable scope, basically, where your variables live and can be accessed. Important for avoiding confusion in larger projects.
Wow, okay, so that's the full set, more or less. What's the big takeaway here for someone listening?
Well, understanding these keywords isn't just memorization. It's like learning Python's grammar.
Yeah, it helps you write code that actually works and makes sense.
Yeah.
It's your shortcut to clarity.
Definitely. You start to see why Python is designed the way it is. It makes reading code, writing code, and importantly, debugging code so much easier. You really get a feel for the language's structure.
So here's something to chew on. Thinking about all these categories, which one do you think gives a new Python learner the biggest immediate boost, that aha moment?